Hi guys, this is Joan, Jillian's mom, and welcome back to our channel. So last time I said I'm supposed to be in a plant ban. Yeah, I'm unboxing another box. Also, keep on watching. I do have an announcement at the end of the video. And without further ado, we're gonna do an unboxing. Again, another unboxing. So how are you guys been doing? I've been busy at work. So my schedule's kind of been on, off. So I wasn't able to record a video. And just timely today, it is my day off. Jillian's still asleep. She went to bed at 2 in the morning. Yeah. And my husband's at work. And just so timely that a plant mail came in today. So I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys, and also check this out. My friend and coworker gave me this. It is a cutter, and she even customized it for me. There is Monstera albo, a Hoya Ruthie, and then what is this one? I'm assuming this is no Abovada trail, but maybe a Pothos. And Alba Marginata Carriai. So thank you very much, Maria from the hospital. Thank you. So we're gonna unbox this. So this is from Louisiana, Alma Smith. She's also the one I bought my Hoya Ruthie from, and she's the one who gave me a free cutting. So this time, let's see what I purchased. Oh, and this is good. It really cuts fast. Better than my pair of scissors. Let's put that away. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself. Thank you. Thank you, Alma Smith. Let's see. My invoice. I'm not gonna show it because, yeah. So insulation and stuff. So if you're trying to learn how to pack plants and eventually sell some plants, a tip that I got from Hoya is that he quoted, I'll quote him, he tries to suffocate the plant. Basically, just stuff them, don't give them any room to move. So yeah, just like this. And let's see what we got. Okay, now I'm just gonna remove as much stuffing as I can, and then I'm gonna flip you guys over because I am just gonna flip you guys over. So yeah, my cuttings, this one's already showing. It's a Hoya Incrasada. And I'm gonna flip you guys back again, okay? So we can just see it together. Ooh, this is exciting. So the first one is, well, that's on top of the package, is the Hoya Incrasada. Check out that huge leaves. There's still some variation, I don't know if you can say, but I can see it better from the back. And at the moment, I can say that because of the Hoya undulata blooms, I've been into Hoyas that has those big squid, for the lack of a better word, squid-like blooms. So, and big flowers. I don't know why. But I'm gonna insert a picture of these plants' blooms. But this one, this was part of the set, and I don't have this Hoya yet. So hopefully it roots well for me. How do I get this out? Because it always scares me sometimes to take them out of the box, that I'm gonna hurt them, or I'm gonna, ooh, a Hoya callistophylla. I already have two kinds, but this one looks so different from the ones that I have. I'm gonna insert a picture of the ones that I already have in comparison to this. Yeah, this one is like a darker like an eyeliner at the side, on the edges of it. And hey, like Hoya callistophylla, like come on, it's veiny, it has veins, it's beautiful. And I'm gonna insert a picture of the flowers. But I think there's multiple kinds or different kinds of Hoya callistophylla. So I guess we're gonna learn that together as they grow. How many? Okay, sorry. Hoya Spa Cast. She gave me a 2-leaf note cutting. I got the free one from her before, so I guess after these roots, I'm just gonna put it together with the other Spa Cast, the rooted one. This is another big leafy ones. How many? Ooh. Hoya Spa EPC 207. Head test. This one's huge. Okay, seriously. David's my friend. He's like, it's me, my sister, and him. Like, we do everything together. We did capoeira together, and then we did baking together. Me and him even tried this other martial arts, since we did capoeira before. We did this, I think it's wushu, but then we only did it one time. But now he went to plants, and then he opened the door for plants for us, and here we are. We're all PLANTy people now. But yeah, David, you need to take your Hoya. You need to get your plants. The anthurium queen. Yeah, I'm giving him my anthurium queen. I need to make room for these Hoya babies. Oh, and again, Hoya Spa EPC 207, and blooms here. Pretty. It even has this splashy thingy. I read somewhere that these splashy stuff are basically an edema forming on the top layer of the plant, causing this different coloration. Is that a word? But yeah, but correct me if I'm wrong. So far there's 4 cuttings. And then Hoya larisa. Check that out. So for me, I feel like this almost is like the same family as a callistophylla. Veiny, like very rigid leaf. But this one is more round. Got an eye patch. But Hoya larisa. I got a long. Okay. Headband. But yes, this is Hoya Ruthie. Okay, seriously, how do you get a Hoya named after you? There's a Hoya Jennifer, there's a Hoya Ruthie, and then my Hoya Larisa. I'm sure these were named after women. How? Do I have to climb up like hills and mountains, go to the jungle, Philippines? Can I go back to the Philippines? But not right now, we're on quarantine. But yeah, look at this. It's fuzzy. Like, not as fuzzy as a villosa, but there's the hairiness or the pubescence. A little bit. This is long. Yeah, it totally reminds me of a villosa stem, but not as hairy. And also, the stem is kind of meaty in comparison to these ones that are woody. Thank you, Alma Smith. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's double check. I know I paid for 5, so he gave me an extra. So the Incrusata, the very first one that I took out of the box, is the free cutting that she gave me. Thank you very much, Alma Smith. Oh, there's a baby outside the window. But yeah, thank you very much, Alma Smith, for my free cutting. I pray and I hope that they root well. It's been cold lately, but it does warm up, and I do have a heating mat. So again, the same way I'm gonna root this are in water. I'm gonna use my rooting hormone, if you guys are wondering. This is the rooting hormone that I use. and then just a vial of water, filtered water. Here are the cuttings in water. I had to put a stick on this one. It's so long, but I'm not complaining. Hoya Ruthie, Larisa. Oh my gosh, these girls, maybe they'll be friends together with the Jennifer and Genevieve. And my incrusata that I can show the vein. I did use this so it's not really touching the bottom of the plant. And apparently this Hoya, what Hoya are you? The EPC 207, there's 2 cuttings in there. So yay, I'm gonna have 2 plants eventually. And then the spacas, yeah, those white stuff are the routine hormones that floated in the water. The Hoya callistophylla with its dark eyeliner, hello. And of course the larisa again. Hopefully they root well. They'll be on top of a heating mat, just like what I always do, especially it's been cooling. It's been cold here again. And since I already have this out, I also have some good news for you guys. Let me just make some room. And, you know, cuttings everywhere, which is not a problem. It's actually a good problem to have cuttings everywhere. Well, then again, that's just for me. So remember I was saying when I reach my 100th subscriber here on YouTube, I'm gonna do a giveaway. The plants are ready. And namely, they are, I'm giving away 2 plants, which if you want, you can share with your friend or you can keep them for yourself and then eventually share it with your friends. So I'm giving away 2 plants because I did share my Hoya Carrii collection with you guys, and some people has messaged me or posted a comment that they're having issues or not issues, but they couldn't just easily get the variegated one. And so I got these 2 variegated Hoya Carrii for you guys to share with your friends or to expand your own Hoya Carrii collection. So this one is the Hoya Carrii Albo Marginata. I'm gonna do its own video in here. Hoya Carrii Albo Marginata, and the other one is the reverse Hoya Carrii. The same thing, same, it's in soil, but it's up to you if you guys want to follow me and do a passive hydro way of growing your Hoyas. So I'm gonna send this and also a surprise, because I love having a surprise whenever I unbox a plant mail, and I want to share that joy with you guys, not just through my YouTube videos, but really for you guys to experience like how awesome the plant community is. So how is this giveaway gonna happen? Obviously you have to watch this video because you have to know about my giveaway, right? So for this giveaway, for you to get a chance to win these 2 Hoya Carrii and something like a surprise, like and subscribe. Follow me on my my Instagram. Our handle is up here. It's always up here. Julians_plant_corner. And comment down below my first name. And good luck. Thank you for watching this video. And again, please stay safe. And may you always be blessed.